Let's be frank and talk systems together. And if we're going to do so, we should start with an example. What big business uses systems that everyone knows about? McDonald's does. Love their food or hate it, what you can't do is deny their immense success that's specifically due to the many systems they employ. If you go into a McDonald's, you know what I mean: audible beeps, television screens showing the activities of everything that's going on both inside and in the drive-thru, a manager that's egging the crew on to get the job done and serve little Jimmy his happy meal, with cheap plastic colorful toy that he loves. So, what's the point? The point is, if you're going to achieve success with upper back pain, then like Ronald McDonald and all of his employees, you need to use systems too. And nothing's better at treating upper back pain than the TrapEAZE technique, thanks to its multiple systems. There's a system for initial examinations, a system for diagnosis, and a complete system for treatment. More so, there's even a system in place to determine how effective your marketing is for your upper back pain potential patients. Don't believe me? Well, you can verify it all for yourself by first getting started with our 70-minute upper back pain specialty workshop. While you're there, you'll start to get a real feel for the systems that are employed to help upper back patients to experience real life changing results like never before.